Meron pala siyang short. Ayan. Ito yung short niya, oh. Ayan yung short niya.
That's the roof there.
Yeah. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Magandang umaga. Kahapon pumunta nga pala kami ng Once Upon a Child. And 70% off sila. So, meron kami mga nabili talagang mga damit para kay Ellie. Kaunti lang yung binili namin kasi si Travis sabi niya, don't keep buying. You know, she's not gonna use everything.
Well, we don't know how big
Yeah.
she's gonna be, so we bought kind of
Like a few clothes.
and then from like 0 to 3 months,
Yeah.
3 to 6 months. But we didn't buy anything from 6 to 12 months yet. But I think she's gonna go to 3 to 6 months pretty quick.
Yeah, and we bought jackets since she don't have a lot of jacket because I'll give birth March. I think it's still cold
In
around
Michigan?
that month, right?
It's like yeah. It's
And we
chilly.
will go to Michigan by around April or May, something like that. So I'll show you guys kung ano yung mga nabili namin kahapon. Ito, nakita na ko sa kanya, kaya binili ko talaga siya, no? So super mura lang talaga siya. So I think ang total price namin, original price, siguro mga ano siya, tawag nito. Mga almost $30 and then ang binayaran lang namin is mga $12 or $11 ganyan. So ito yung jacket na nabili ko. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang ganito hood, tapos may paganito siya. Makikita niyo. Ang cute niya, 'di ba? Siguro magagamit niya 'to siguro mga 3 months or 2 months siya, ganyan. Tapos, meron akong biniling ganito. Ayan. Ang cute niya kasi talaga, no? Tignan niyo naman. O, diba? Tapos, meron din tayo nitong color red. Sabi ko kay Travis, parang wala siyang red na damit. So, just in case, no? Charot. Parang may iba-iba siyang kulay na damit. Ayan. Maliit. Siguro, mga pang 2, ano na to siya guys, pang 3 months, ganyan, 3 to 6 months. Kasi, she already have some infant clothes, and infant clothes are gonna go, you know,
quick.
they're gonna grow quick.
Yeah.
That's why we bought some few clothes, so
But-
she can use it when she gets to 3 months to 6 months, some few clothes, and then we'll just buy later on. If
You
we
can't
really
beat
need it.
70% off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so cute. And then, wala siyang partner, so hinanapan namin siya ng partner ng terno.
Didn't I have?
Yeah,
Oh,
this
yeah, yeah.
one. Tignan nyo, ayan. Ayan yung ano niya. Hinanapan na namin ng terno.
No.
Oh, it has a terno.
Yeah, so that one has its own shorts.
Oh, right. Meron pala siyang short. Ayan. Ito yung short niya, oh. Ayan yung short niya. Binila namin siya ng jacket. Dalawa lang ate binili namin. Ayan. Tapos ito yung binili namin isa.
Then we partnered this with the blue jeans.
Yeah, tapos may blue jeans. Binila namin siya ng mga 2 pirasong jacket. Kasi in case na mag-camping kami or mamundok kami kasama si Ellie na mga siguro pag mga 3 months na siya. Hindi namin alam. Kasi mahilig talaga kami mag-off-roading tapos camping, guys. And for sure, isasama namin siya. Hindi namin siya pwedeng iwan, no? And para masanay siya. Kasi gusto namin yung ma-enjoy niya din yung ginagawa namin. Kahit na ano pa siya, baby pa siya. Siyempre, hindi naman dahil baby siya, hindi namin siya pwedeng isama, 'di ba? Nandun pa rin yung pag-iingat, pero maganda rin talaga minsan na i-ano mo yung bata. Kumbaga, hindi naman super early na magbubundok kami, ganun. May mag-i-schedule lang kami ng time kung kailan pwede na siyang ilabas, kung kailan pwede na siyang isama, ganyan. So, ayan. Tapos ito, ang cute, oh. Diba? Ayan. Kasi dito sa Virginia, hindi naman talaga nag-i-snow. So, ang kailangan lang namin, mga jacket lang talaga na simpleng jacket lang. Katulad ng ganitong jacket. Mga pang daily, lang, wear. Tapos, ayan, si Travis pumili. Did you choose this one?
Yeah, I found it.
Yeah,
I thought it was cute.
Yeah. Tapos, and then another one, ayan. So, she have few onesies. And then, we decided not to buy onesies anymore because we can still you know, keep reusing it. We'll just have to wash it.
We have a bunch of onesies.
Yeah, a bunch of onesies.
She needed some outfits.
Yeah, she needed some outfit. So we bought some outfit. And maybe pag nag-sale ulit sila, alam mo naman tayo, kahapon talaga, hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Magbibili pa sana ako guys, marami. Kasi ito si Tavis nga lang, sabi niya, don't buy a lot of clothes, ganon. We'll see when she comes out. Doon tayo bibili ng bibili kung ano talaga yung kakailanganin niya, ano talaga yung kakasya sa kanya. Totoo naman, it's true na don't buy a lot of clothes kasi you don't know, maybe some of them she's not gonna use it. It won't fit her, 'di ba? It depends. Hindi naman kailangan ano talaga everyday fashion, 'di ba? Oh, ayan. Tapos bumili kami ng books. Another books. We didn't buy a lot of books because Travis has plenty of toys and books in Michigan. So when we go up there, we're just gonna look for some books for Ellie and then so we can bring it here. So sabi kasi ni Mama Karen, they have tons of toys and books para kay Ellie doon, no? Na pinagliitan pa ng daddy niya. So sa daddy niya pa yon, tinabi na mama niya. So Mama Karen kept everything when he was young.
Everything.
So pagpunta namin doon, tignan natin kung ano yung mga madala natin dito, no? And updates sa bahay namin. What's the update for, in our roof?
Monday. Monday, the roof. Monday we'll be getting a new roof.
We're gonna have a new roof by Monday. By Monday.
So they'll start tomorrow, and once they start tomorrow, then it'll basically take them one full day. But they're gonna take everything off and put a whole new roof on. And we should walk outside to show them our roof.
Oh, yeah, we can show them.
Yeah, so
now we're gonna show you guys how it looks like. It's really bad.
When we started looking at the other roofs in the area, we're like, maybe it is pretty bad.
Yeah, we're like, because this is an old neighborhood, so some of them, they have really old roof. And most of them, they changed their roof. And we've seen some couple of houses, they really changed their roof.
Yeah,
and it
you
looks
can tell
good.
if they're newer.
It looks new.
Or not.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you guys. We'll walk outside just to show you how it looks like. Kung anong itsura ng bubong namin sa labas.
Yeah, we can walk in the back. Alright, you guys, so I don't know if you can really see. I'll try to zoom it. Let me see if I can zoom it. But that's the roof there. And you can
see there are some spots, like darker spots there.
Yeah, it's very old. You can see, it's just really, the spots are dark.
Maybe when they inspected, it passed because they didn't see some leaking or,
Yeah, but you can kind of tell that, it's older. So, which is why we needed a...
You got this wood. You got a piece of wood. Look.
What you got? What you got?
What you got?
Oh my goodness.
We should show them the front view, babe. Because the front view is so bad too.
Yeah, we can.
Pakita namin sa inyo yung front view.
Okay, you guys, so this is what our roof looks like.
In front of our house. So, ayan yung itsura niya.
So it's, you can see the dark spots.
Right.
Which are consistent with, just having an old roof. So that is one of the main reasons why we needed to, get a new one. But yeah, you can see that those dark spots.
I wonder how many years.
They said it's at least probably 17 years old.
This roof?
Yeah, gosh, sorry guys, this is hard to zoom in on.
Alright, so ayan, nakita na nila. Tapos, pag nag-ayos sila dito, papakita rin namin sa inyo guys, after nilang maayos. Pasok na. What? 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 What's wrong with you? Come on. Hey, come on.
Kinsley, what you doing?
What you doing?
Come here.
Let's go inside.
Kinsley.
Did she pee?
Look at her little tuft of hair. Kinsley, come here. Come
Just one more.
here. Come here.
You see daddy? Oh, she's gonna give you her...
Bring it here.
Oh, look, that's huge.
Come on. Come on.
Come here.
Come here. Bring it here.
She's looking for
Oh, no, no,
show
no.
her that.
What are you doing?
Girl. Okay, come on,
What are
let's go
you
inside.
doing?
Let's go inside, come on. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll give you some update next time. Tomorrow they're
tomorrow.
gonna fix our roof. And we'll show you kung anong progress, kung anong update. Because they're just gonna do it one day. It's
Well,
amazing, right?
You don't-
Just one day.
You don't work till 3, so you're gonna
Yeah.
see them work probably from 7 to 2.
Yeah, so I can show you guys. So, ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!